Hey everybody, XJoe81X on Tubes. Today we're going to be unboxing and showing you this weird 1992, 99 weird pink thing, mini vacuum cleaner, sorry. It's got that vibe, you know, like 1997 mall. It's a mini vac cleaner. It says there's a model right here, A for Apple, 084. It says the best cleaner for narrow spaces, and it's got a weird blue paper on a keyboard. It says ESCO, or is that QESCO? This is the front. This is the back. The back here. It says mini vacuum cleaner. It's battery insertion and replacement. 1, 2, 3. It tells you what to do. It's on and off. And if it's troubleshooting, it tells you how to. We could bring that forward. You can actually, you know what? I think it's best to zoom in, and then you could hit pause for a battery insertion, and then for the application, you could hit pause. And right here, oof, sorry guys, made in China, so whatever. Okay, there's a SKU number here, so that was purchased, especially effective in cleaning personal computers, word processors, dashboard, auto equipment, and any irregular surfaces. Special, same exact thing. The bottom is nothing. So let's unbox this. Nice plastic. Back in the day, they didn't have to give you a piece of paper because they printed it right on the box. Let's discard that. Comes in plastic. This was given to me by my great Aunt Mary. Every Christmas, she would find these tchotchkes, whether she purchased them or she had them or she regifted them. We won't turn it on yet. There's going to be 2 AA batteries already inserted pre-video. Doesn't matter what. It has an orientation right there underneath the batteries. We'll just, okay. We have a plastic cover. We have this brush bristle type of thing. And, oh, it's rubber. When I twist it off, you could probably clean this. Yep, and there's holes. And then the fan turns one way or the other. And then this is going to be, there's holes on the bottom here. Made in China again. I wonder if that allows it to breathe, but doesn't allow the dust to leave. Let's try to open this. Okay, it slides right out, sorry. So yes, it's a canister and it holds dust bites. Okay, there's a little notch here. Going to put this back on. Well, we're going to bring it up more. Slide it and there we go. Did we break it? No, we didn't. So we're going to turn this on. And it's by QESCO. QESCO. All right. Yeah, it's going to hurt. It doesn't want to stop. Ah, okay. Okay, we'll put this on since, I don't know, well, actually should not, it should clear. Okay, ready? Tighty? Ooh, it's screaming. Needs probably to be lubricated. I don't know if that's smart, but I'm doing it anyway. Okay. I mean, I'm ruining. Is it coming right out? You could see some dust, but I don't know if any of the big stuff, well, nothing big would come out. Probably dust. Blows in, brings it in, sucks it through here, and then drops it down there. Well, geez, that's pretty cool. This is the mini vac cleaner. I could understand exactly what it's made for, and I could also understand not using it. So, because we don't use it and it's just for videos, we're going to remove the batteries. I thank you for watching this video. Mini vacuum cleaner. We're going to open this up. Just push it down. Okay. I'm just gonna oh, this looks good. That's what it does. Look. I'm just gonna do that for storage purposes. Push it down. Right, hold it. There we go. Well, that's really nifty for nifty stuff. I can understand never using it. And I can understand why it would be a gift. And I like it. It sits in there. It's fine. It's compact. You can bring it with you. And so on and so forth. So that is the mini vacuum cleaner. It's the best cleaner for narrow spaces. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.